Super app advertising isn't just for F&B advertisers. All kinds of brands work with us to co-create winning experiences for consumers. Here are 3 unexpected ways we delighted consumers on Grab. 1. Forget luring customers to a product demo. We brought the demo to customers for Panasonic's new air purifier. We turned Grab cars into mobile showrooms and billboards, and picked up a bunch of awards. 2. Pomelo Fashion needed to stand out on 11/11 and 12/12. We gave them a high-impact online-first campaign, placing them at the top of young women's shopping lists, with stunning results. 3. When home cooks were hungry for new meal ideas, we served up inspiration with shoppable recipes for Knorr. We sparked the joy in cooking while taking the hassle out of it. One tap on a recipe card sends all ingredients into cart. Excited about the potential of these ideas? Work with us to delight consumers in unexpected ways on Southeast Asia's leading super app.